Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. In today's Vlogmas day 10, I think this is, 10, I will be showing you how I make my fried cabbage. And if you like cooking videos like this, stay tuned guys. So all I'm doing right here is just slicing up my cabbage in different sizes. They're not like similar, they are all different shapes and sizes, and I'm putting them into a bowl of water that is to my right into the sink, which you all can't see, but that's what I'm doing if you see me move my hand back and forth. And once I am done cutting up the cabbage, I will go ahead and start chopping up my vegetables as well as my smoked chicken sausage. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut up this half bell pepper here and half white onion. You don't necessarily have to use the same green bell pepper as I did. You can use whatever you desire, or you can use either red onion, yellow onion. It all depends upon you and how you like to make your cabbage. But this is the way that I started making it for my family. So comment down below and let me know, do you eat your cabbage this way, or do you eat it the traditional way where you either boil like smoked meat or a smoked turkey leg first and then you add your cabbage in to that mixture there, or do you just steam it plain without any fatty meats or anything like that? Comment down below and let me know how you like to eat your cabbage. And after I cut up everything that needs to be cut up, I am going to put my shrimp into a bowl of cool water so they can finish thawing out, and go ahead and season up the pork chops here. I'm not showing how to bake pork chops because it's simple. Just season it to your liking and put it into the oven at 350, 375. But yeah, after that, I am going to head on over and get my pot ready and start cooking down my vegetables along with minced garlic. So right here I have already cleaned my pork chops off, and now I'm about to take a piece of paper towel and pat the excess water off of them before I start to season them up. And once I am done seasoning up my pork chop, I will layer them into the pan and add chicken broth in with it. I know some people like to put water at the bottom of the pan, but I prefer chicken broth because it adds more flavor to your pork chops.
She wanna know me, I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never.
Alright, so now I am about to put the pork chops into the oven, and we're gonna go ahead and start sauteing up our vegetables and minced garlic. And the oil that I'm using into this pan here is grapeseed oil. And then we're gonna go from there. So I'm done talking. I'm just gonna let you all enjoy the rest of this music and watch me prepare my fried cabbage.
Promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the lattice in the land. To a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Damaged. One man's trash is another man's baggage. Slow you down, I ain't going nowhere. Spacesuit on, can't breathe this air. TNT going off in here. Ain't we up there? Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me. One more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose.
Alright, so we're almost to the end of the video, and right here I'm just mixing in everything from the seasonings to the shrimp that I just added, and I am going to let it go ahead and finish cooking the shrimp all the way through, because I like to add my shrimp in once the cabbage is almost completely done. And if you're like me, I don't like my cabbage to be mushy. I like them to still have a little crunch to it, and that's when I start adding in my shrimp. And once the shrimp cook, I will come back and show you all how it looks and plate it up for you. So if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a like, comment down below, and subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you haven't done so already. And I will catch you all in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.
That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me. So one more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot,